Students, come to our next topic, workman compensation reserve. This reserve is created out of firm's profit to pay compensation to employee. At the time of change in profit sharing ratio, it is treated as follows. First condition, if there is no claim against workman compensation reserve. It means we don't have any claim for our reserve. In such a case, the entire amount of workman compensation reserve is credited to capital account of partners in their old profit sharing ratio. For this, we will pass entry workman compensation reserve account debit to partners capital account. Come to the next condition. If the claim for workman compensation is lower than the amount of workman compensation reserve, means our claim will lower in comparison of workman compensation reserve. The amount of claim is credited to provision for workman compensation claim account. Students, we will record in the credit side our claim or amount of claim in provision for workman compensation claim account, and balance is credited to the capital account of partners in their old profit sharing ratio. For example, workman compensation reserve is rupees 50,000 and liability for claim is rupees 20,000. The journal entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit 50,000, provision for workman compensation claim in credit side 20,000. This is our claim amount. To partners capital account 30,000. This is the difference of workman compensation reserve and provision for workman compensation claim. Now students, come to our next condition. If the claim is equal to workman compensation reserve. Student, in first condition we don't have any claim. In second condition we have claim, but it is lower from our workman compensation reserve, and here our claim will equal to workman compensation reserve. So entire amount of workman compensation reserve is transferred to provision for workman compensation claim account. So our entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit to provision for workman compensation claim. Students, come to the next condition. If the claim is more than the amount of workman compensation reserve. Students, here we have claim more than our workman compensation reserve. So entire amount of workman compensation reserve along with the excess claim is credited to provision for workman compensation claim account. The amount of excess claim is debited to revaluation account because the loss must be borne by partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Means loss amount old partner will distribute or they will pay. For example, workman compensation reserve is rupees 50,000 and liability for claim is rupees 60,000. The journal entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit, revaluation account debit to provision for workman compensation claim. Students, our claim is here excess, so we will write here 60,000, and our reserve is 50,000, so we will write here 50,000, and 10,000 is loss which we transfer in revaluation account. So next entry will be partners capital account debit to revaluation account 10,000. Students, we will discuss our example related to this question in next video. Thank you students.